No good. Rebound number 8. Attacks. Pass inside. Serving. Fine stop. Launch 3. No good. Re-oop. Nagkaldagan. Pass back. Bang! Bulls up. Delgado. Attack. Stop. Pull up J. Basket. The net. Cutting. Bang! Nothing but Delgado, guys. Pasok. The connection again. Oh, libre. Baligod. Oh, basket and buwan. Pass to the middle. Good lay back and that's good for two. Sa Abu Dhabi. Shout out daw sa asawa ni Idol sa Abu Dhabi. Dito tayo ngayon sa Regional Presaa para sa laban ng Cauayan City at Santiago City. Ang yun ni Rep. And it's a jump ball and first ball position for Team Santiago. And number 27, Delgado, pass to the middle, kicks to outside. Ball out of bounds. And it's number 5, pass to the middle. Bio, pass inside number 4, pass back to Bio. On the corner, attack. There are levers fly up of the glass. And that 16 yellow. That's number 15. Pull up J. It's Lopez to Bio. Bio pass back to Lopez. Number 18 cross pass. Number 17 Bio. Bio holding the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass back. Bio launch 3. Bang! Bulls. Delgado attack. Stop. Pull up J. Basket. The net. And here you go for Team Cauayan. Puma Albi derecho. Nino. Pass to crossover. Hook drive. Lays up. Bio. Stop. Kicks out. Attack. Pass from the corner. Cutting. Launch 3. Bam! Nothing. Number 16. Pass inside. Matapikan dito. At naagawan. Pass to Bio. Bio. Pass inside. Catching takes out. Again. Same spot. Bam! Same result. And here you go. Nino. Plays up. And here's number 18, pass back to Lopez. Lopez. Bio. Pass to Lopez. Launch a 3. No good. Bounce pass. Delgado. Whoop! Easy basket, Delgado. Bounce, Denabel. Lopez. Pass to Bio. Pass back. Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound. And a putback sagging. So strong move. Bounce pass. Spins. Bio note behind the back pass. Oh, and the connect. Lopez. Bio. Pass to the corner. Pass back. Bio. Launch long 3. Too strong. Delgado. Delgado pass to Babos. Off the glass basket and buwan. And down to 1 ang kalamangan mga idol. And it's clear. Delgado. Pass inside. Libre dako. Lopez. Up number 8. Attack. Oh, so palpal. Bang! Natapikan, tatlo, may taban sa isa, alley-oop pass, and the finish. Oh, tapikan na naman, recovered, gandang pass, and the lead. And it's number 8 to number 7, Caro, pass back to number 8. Pass to the middle sa ating, recovered, kicks out, launch 3, bang, and the foul. Then that's the 3. Santiago. And 12 seconds on the game clock. Oh, makagawa na recover. Aliw, tinasa. Too strong. Rebound. And here you go. 3 on 3. Tinabitin. Bukata. And that's it. Here's number 44. Pass back to 44. And kicks out. 44 attack. Kicks out. Create space, spin, so pass inside, tagging, tinabitin, put back shot. And to number 0. Pinasa kay Delgado, nice pass, the connection again. And here you go, number 11, attack. Maagawan, pass break ngayon. Uy! Nadali sa idol. Napangiti pa. De Guzman, number 11. Pass inside, libre. Pick and roll. And Caro, number 43, De La Cruz. Pass to Caro. Baligod. Oy, supalpal si Idol. Crossover. Pass to number 11, Agustin. Pass to the middle, binit lays up, and that's good for 2. Rebound. And here's Agustin. Corner, launch 3. In and out, battle for rebound, recovered. Takes in 5. Basket is good, that's net. Oh, libre si Baligod. Oh, basket and 1. For the inbound. Libre. No good. Rebound, pass break ngayon. Baligod. Easy basket. Bumaw. And it's number 3. De Guzman. On the corner. Pass back. Attack. 2. Fires. No good. Pass break na naman, nauna na naman. Baligod. And again, easy basket. Agustin. Delgado. Atake. Reverse layup. Basket is good. Baligod. Open for 3. No good. Rebound. Kicks out. And again, Bio. Bang! Delgado matake, lays, no good, too strong, rebound. On the corner. Sa gitna, number 4, spins, pinasa, fix, reverse layup, basket and 1. And Miss Lopez to the middle, sacking. Open for 2, no good. Rebound Agustin in the corner, launch, no good, rebound, Agustin libre. Passes to Baligod. Lopez. Natapikan. On the corner, fire for 3. Bang! Delgado. And it's De La Cruz, pass to Bio. Supalpal si Idol. And it's pass break. 3 versus 1. Pinasa, ang gandang ikot ng bolang yun. And the finish. And the... Pass to Delgado. Delgado holding the ball. Delgado behind the back dribble. Stop, pull up Jay. Basket is good. And it's Caro. Pass to Bell. Nakalusot, lays up, and good for 2. Delgado. Attack, nakalusot, easy basket kaya It's number 15 ninyo. Pinasa, fires off the glass. Basket, 14. Kawayan City. And this number 43, De La Cruz, launch a 3. No good. Rebound. And a long pass. Pass inside. Fade away shot. Too strong. Taldag. At the middle. Attack. Slaughter shot. Basket and one. Nino. And here's Bio. Bio nakalusot. Kicks out. Takes and fire. Basket and one. De La Cruz. And Aquino. Aquino. Pull up J. Basket. Good. Aquino. Bounce pass inside, spins, attack, off the glass, nice. De La Cruz. Pass inside, De La Cruz, basket and one. The pass break, reverse layup, basket is good. Oop, matatapikan na naman, Aquino. Oop. Pull up J. Aquino! And it's De La Cruz. De La Cruz is slowly going down. And it's number 17. Bio. Libre. Off the glass. Wala. Inaalat na ngayon ang team Kawayan. And here's Molina. Pass break. Oop. Uy. Traveling. Now. And Lopez attacks, lays up, easy basket. And number 22 attacks, lays up, Molina. And yun, nakalusot. Uy, gandang pasa. Uy, buntik ka pang na. And here's Lopez. Lopez. Oh, at number 17 attacks, Dio. Fade away shot. Naagawan. Libreng-libre si Idol. Easy basket. And number 8. Pass to the middle. Pass back. Ang gandang pick and roll basket. And one. That's low. And there's Padio. Aquino. Oh, so pal si Idol. Three. Bang! 20 seconds on the game clock. Number 22. Last 10 seconds. At natapikan. Recover. Lopez. Di Discarte. Benabe. Lopez. Launch long three. Bang! Back Delgado. Launch three again. No good rebound. Reverse layup. Uy, tinapos din. Natapikan. Minute bait. Tinapboard pa. Number 15 to number 27. Delgado. Corner. And drive. Pass to number 4. Lays up. Basket is good. And here's Bio. Pass back, launch three. Bang! Number 7 Naagawan. Pass to number 24. Easy basket, Delgado. Bio stop for 3. No good. Rebound, Delgado. Easy basket, Delgado. Bio nakalusot, tinasa pa, and the extra pass. Finish. And it's number 15.
Morning to all viewers of University of Laganet.
Nino. Pull up J.
No good. Rebound by
Bio. Bounce pass inside. Pinabitin pa. Pasok iyan. Inside. Bounce pass. Super pal sa Idol. And it's number 22. For Team Santiago City, 10 seconds shoot. Pull up J Nino. No good. Rebound. Baseball pass. Nauna naman. Easy basket.
Molina, return to shoot. And to shoot.
Corner 3. Bam!
5 seconds.
Bam! 3 station. Team Santiago.
Ang panglaro.